Today, let's make bakery-style crispy chicken pockets at home. They are soft from inside, crispy from outside, and perfect for kids and family snacks. Welcome to my channel. First, let's prepare the dough. In a bowl, add 2 cups of Maida, 1½ teaspoons of instant yeast, 1 tablespoon of milk powder, and salt to taste. Now add 2 tablespoons of yogurt and mix well. Gradually add warm water and knead a soft dough. Add a little butter or ghee and knead again. Cover and rest the dough for 1 hour.
Later.
After the dough has rested, divide it and shape pockets as shown in the video. Trust me, kids will absolutely love this snack. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more easy and tasty recipes. Now, let's prepare the crispy chicken filling. Take boneless chicken and add salt and black pepper as per taste. Add soya sauce, crushed garlic, and 1 egg. Mix everything well and let it rest for a few minutes. In another bowl, take 1 cup of Maida, add salt and red chili powder and mix. Coat the marinated chicken pieces in the flour mixture. Deep fry in hot oil until golden brown and crispy. Keep aside. Now comes the best part, assembling. Fill the pockets with crispy chicken, sliced onions, mayonnaise and ketchup. Serve hot